Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, you should unplug the power cord before beginning. To replace a front roller on your refrigerator, first remove the lower access panel. Now carefully lift up the front of the appliance and use a wood block or a comparable sturdy object to support it. Remove the adjustment screw from the cabinet frame. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the retaining clip securing the mounting pin. Pull out the mounting pin and lift out the old front roller assembly. You're now ready to install the new front roller assembly. Making sure the adjustment arm is properly seated, position the assembly in the frame, and replace the mounting pin to hold it in place. Snap on the retaining clip to secure the pin. Now lift the arm up and thread the adjustment screw into place. Remove the support and gently lower the appliance to the floor. Realign the lower access panel and snap it into place. With the new roller installed, you're now ready to plug the power cord back in.